Create stockout. What is a stockout module? The stockout module is where you'll record all the stockout items that will be transferred to another location or branch. How do you create a stockout? To create stockout, from the main menu, go to Inventory, then select Stock Transfer and click Stockout. In the Stockout window, click Create. Fill in the necessary information. Please note that all fields with an asterisk are required to create the stockout, while those without the asterisk are optional information. Type stockout reference number in ST number. Date of transfer for the actual date of transfer. Stock from is the location where the stocks are located, and stock to is the location where the items or stock will be transferred to. After providing the header details, you can now provide the details for the items in the Goods tab, add new line, and provide the following. Choose the item to be transferred, transferred quantity, and you can also put remarks per line. Additional system features will show you the quantity on hand and the remaining quantity after the transfer. Once done, click Save. To delete the transaction, just right-click and select the Delete option, or open the transaction and click Delete. To edit the stockout, open the transaction and edit, then click Save. You have just successfully created your stockout transaction.